TGIF. Let's go ahead and go through today's challenge. Today we're still behind a little bit. We're on the week of October 30th, and we are on the medium challenge. Let me go ahead and read the instruction for you guys. It is called Sales Above Average, and it says for sales analysts, it's often important to identify which salesperson or products are performing above average. Given a dictionary of product sales, create a function that identifies products whose sales are above the average sales for all products. And it does give us a sample library that we can use to go ahead and test our solution function on. So let's go ahead and get started. Since we have been learning about the filter and map functions, I decided to go ahead and solve it using filters so I can get more practice with it. So the first thing I did was I declared that function here and I named it above average sales, and it's going to take in that sales dictionary here as a parameter. So I knew I had to make a lambda function because I'm going to use filter. So I named it above, and what I'm doing here is for every item inside of that dictionary, we want to check the value of that item and see if it's greater than the sum of all the values divided by the length. So that's what I'm doing here. So what it's going to do is going to go through each item or key. It's going to check if that value is greater than the sum of all the rest of the values averaged out. So that is how I filtered it. And then as a result, when I called filtered, I called that function and I fitted in the original dictionary. And as you can see here, as a result, we are getting the ones above average. So this one was quite simple. I actually didn't have a hard time figuring it out because I'm getting more used to it. But let me know how you would have solved it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.